Alright, I am here at Bonnet Springs Park here in Lakeland, Florida. Over there you can see a very nice Florida sunset, but we're not here to see that. We're going to see what's in this building here. This here is the cafeteria building, which has a rooftop bar up on the second floor. And I see an elevator in here. Let's go ride the elevator. And it looks like we got another Otis HydroFit to ride, but before we ride it, since we all know that elevator tours is all about being healthy, we're going to walk up the steps first. Alright, here we are on 2. There's your look down, and now onto the elevator. And now here we have the elevator. And like I said, this is an Otis HydroFit. And I believe this is MRL. Here I'm on 2. Back on to 1. Door close button works. Overall, a very basic elevator for a modern park. Not as exciting as one over at the visitor center. There's your floor indicator, capacity is 3,500. In there are your key switches, certificate right there, and these are your newer Series 2 buttons. Door 1. We're going to end up on the second floor. Got a nice Christmas tree up here because I'm filming this during the Christmas season. And there it goes, and that'll be it.